We'll guide you through how to connect and pair a replacement AirPod to a case. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you lost one and so you've got a replacement. Let's get started. We're doing this with the AirPods 4. To get started, go and put the AirPod in the case and you want to go and shut it, like so. Now what you need to do is you need to go and plug it in for 20 minutes. So now go and wait, you'll go and see it's glowing. In the meantime, come onto your phone and you can go and open up settings. What you need to do is go down to Bluetooth, go and find your AirPods and go to the right and press the I. You need to tap on forget this device and then confirm your decision. After the time has passed, you need to go and open up the case like so. If the light is flashing white, you can skip this. If it isn't, double tap on it like so, double tap it again and then again. It will then beep 3 times and start flashing orange. Go and wait. Then what you can do is go and close the lid like so. And what you can then do is go and open it up again and you can come onto the device. And you should go and get the pop-up and you can go and tap connect. And now the replacement should now go and be paired and you can use it. If you found this useful, then leave a like.